What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5. And in today's video, guys, it's all about this crypto which has pumped up in value like crazy, guys. 131% up in the last 24 hours, making it $3.47. So yes, guys, it is Ethernity chain, ERN. As you can see, huge green candlesticks can only mean one thing, guys. So yeah, major increases in value. The market is also up. As you can see, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're all about 4 to 5% up, which is quite good. So today's video is all about Ethernity chain, looking at, is it time to invest? Is it too late? Should you sell it if you are on a profit, or is it just time to hold on to it before it goes even higher? Can it hit the $5 or $10 over the next few weeks and months as well? Covering both buyers and sellers point of view and looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. How far can this crypto go, and is it a must have in your wallet? So as you can see, it is obviously the top gainer in the last 24 hours according to Coinbase. So let's change this to USD. Again, before I go any further, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So we are looking at the candlestick pattern chart. I'm just going to draw up the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this and go back to Coinbase. So in the last hour, it has dropped 5%. This is normal because obviously because of the major increase that's taken place in the last few hours. You know, dips are always part of the process. Over the week, 141% up. So the pump literally started yesterday, going from about $1.50 all the way up to $2.34 yesterday, and then yeah, it's carried on this morning as well. Over the month, 118% up, and over the year it is down 61%, guys. So when you look at the close-up image, it looks like it's doing very well, you know, it's pumping up in value and so on. But when you look at the overall yearly chart, it is not doing as well as it's meant to. As you can see, it was literally worth about $16 about a year ago. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up by over 5,000% in the last 24 hours, making it $232 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on ERN. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto as it's been getting a lot of attention recently. If we go into here, we can see a massive 54% buy against 46% sell. So we are seeing a lot of people also selling the crypto, potentially on a profit, taking out their money and probably reinvesting their profits when it drops back down. So on the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on. But for now, I'm going to bring up the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So at the top, we've also got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of ERN, which at the moment is $1.78. However, it is trading at nearly double its value at $3.56, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming in here, we've got the blue line and the orange line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning drops in value are expected over the coming hours. So I'm talking about over the next 12 to 14 hours towards the end of the day today. Do expect an overall minimal drop in value. Why do I say that? Because guys, I've been saying it in most of my videos. Whenever you see a crypto doing a huge percentage increase in a short amount of time, exactly like this one here going over 100%, the crypto has to take a little dip, it has to take a little breather, and we can already see red candles appearing on the screen. More red candles are on the way over the coming hours. However, don't get me wrong, we are also going to see green candles. It is likely to pump up above $4 again and then drop back down. It's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome towards the end of the day today seems to be more on the negative side, potentially dropping to around the $3 mark is what I'm expecting. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? We do have a mixed signal here. We've got the blue line looking bearish, heading towards the negative direction, and the orange line looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction. So essentially, two lines going the opposite direction to each other means a fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming 7 to 8 days. By mid to end of next week, we should expect ERN to be trading between $3 and $3.20 is what my predictions are. Again, yes, it is likely to drop below the $3 mark over the coming days as well, and then pump back up. As I mentioned earlier, it is going to be volatile, green candles, red candles, so on and so on. But the overall outcome towards mid next week seems to be trading around $3 and $3.20, somewhere around there. But again, it depends on how the crypto market performs in general, with any major bull runs, price bumps, major crashes and so on. These will have a major impact, not just on ERN, but the whole crypto market in general. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Again, this is not realistic at all. The only reason why it's going in a bullish direction, looking very steep, is because of the major increase that's taking place right here. The graph thinks, you know what, it's going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value. However, that's not what I'm expecting. So let's say early November to mid-November, over the next couple of weeks, I'm expecting once again an overall drop in value on ERN, dropping below the $3 mark is what I'm expecting, potentially fluctuating around $2, $2.30 by mid-November is what my predictions are so far. But again, we've still got a good 7-8 weeks left for that time, and literally anything can happen between that time. Crashes, bull runs, price pumps, anything, and any news that ERN themselves have are about to announce, or whatever they say, these will have an impact as well. But anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So the most commonly asked questions: is it time to buy ERN? Personally, no guys, it's too late to get into it. I'm expecting it to drop back down. Yes, I know emotions get to you, know what, it's pumped up in value, let me invest into it before your ego is even higher. Guys, it is a very, very risky time to invest into it. Again, if you guys do feel like you need to invest or you want to invest, is entirely up to you. But again, make sure your risk management is on point, because I am expecting it to drop back down in value over the coming hours and the coming days as well. So yeah, be careful out there, with especially when it comes to cryptocurrency. Is very, very volatile. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are trading in the red zone and we are nowhere near the green zone. For us to hit the green zone, we're going to have to at least $18, guys, meaning going through a major 600 to 700% increase, which I'm not expecting from ERN anytime soon. So more or less, we are stuck in the red zone for potentially most of this year and potentially next year as well. But that doesn't matter. What matters is, as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction, we should be good. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Ethernity chain, guys. Let me know what your expectations are. Do you guys think it's going to pump up even higher? Is it going to drop back down? Can it hit the $5 mark this year? Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And yeah, that is pretty much it. I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, and on that note, take care and peace.